Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Earth MotorCars. My name is Alex, and today we have a bad truck for you guys to check out. This is our 1979 Ford Bronco powered by a 5-liter Coyote engine. All right, guys, let's get straight into it. So this truck is fully finished in Raven Black. Not a swirl is to be seen on this paint. It is in phenomenal condition, and as you see across the entire side of the car, we have the classic freewheeling graphics, also in perfect condition. Gives that fabulous vintage look to this Bronco. In the front of this guy, we're running a set of 17-inch turbine wheels. All around that, you have BF Goodrich all-terrain tires. And on the back side of those wheels, even though you can't see it, you have manually locking hubs. So you can change out 2-wheel drive, 4-wheel drive, whatever you prefer. And then if we go up to the side of this Bronco, you're going to see the custom Bronco badge. And I'm telling you guys, that one is a necessity because of, well, what's under the hood. As I told you guys before, this Bronco is running a 5-liter Coyote engine. And check that guy out. 420 horsepower in your 79 Bronco. Brand new JLT intake on this guy. The blue valve covers as well give a little bit of pop of color to this engine bay. Brand new radiator. All in all, super clean engine bay. Another car where you pop the hood, you're at a show, and everyone's neck is going to be broken. Gorgeous. For stopping power on this guy, you got front discs, rear drums, and that's also paired with a hydro boost brake conversion to ensure that this thing is stopping on a dime. Another thing I didn't mention, behind the wheels, the suspension setup that we're running on this guy, we have Rancho shocks with a little bit stiffer springs put on there, so it gives you a comfortable ride, but it's also not bouncing up and down all the time. On the front of the grille, you're gonna see brand new chrome, make this guy shine even more than it already does with that glistening paint on there. Restored chrome mirrors on the side of this guy. Turns, absolutely perfect. Chrome door handle shining, even more chrome on the back, full chrome rear bumper, and of course, a full-size 17-inch spare on the back end. All right, now let's go ahead and swivel out this spare right here and take a look at the back of this truck. You guys check this out. You put your key in the rear slot, turn that guy to the left, and power rear window. How badass is that? And then we'll go ahead, reach inside here, open this guy up. Rear of this truck is looking gorgeous. Brand new carpeting all across here, brand new reupholstery on the side with that leather and vinyl, and that's gonna bring us to the inside of this truck with that little sneak peek of red, because we got full red guts in here. All right, guys, and hopping in my favorite part of this truck, the interior. Check this out. Every square inch on the inside of this Bronco has been reupholstered. Brand new vinyl and leather bench seats in here. The dash completely red as well. It is the perfect combination, that badass Raven Black on the side with the freewheeling graphics along with the red in the interior to give it that big ol' pop. Perfect combination, as I said. Got the vinyl wood glove box right here, vents on the side of that for the controls for your vintage AC right on the top. And then if we flip this guy on, you got your brand new radio right here. Wait for that guy to load up. Retro sound, brand new sound system all across this truck with kicker components, so all of your music sounds great. And then if you check out the dash right here, brand new Dakota digital gauges, of course. So you have a little digital piece on the bottom right there for different readings, along with, you know, that classic analog look that we retain by using those gauges. Top of the roof right up here is fully reupholstered in leather. And then the back over there, painted in white, new fiberglass top, not a crack to be seen. If you guys know the Bronco tops, you know that's a huge issue with it. But of course, Earth MotorCars, that's not gonna happen with us. For your safety, we got a roll bar on the top right there. This is a 0% chance that you're gonna roll this truck, but if you do, you're covered. Door cards are also finished in red leather. Windows work perfectly. And if we roll these seats down, you'll see the back seats are finished in that same gorgeous leather and vinyl red upholstery. And made it to that 5.0, you have a 6-speed automatic transmission. New custom Bronco floor mats with gold embroidered lettering on there. We do that for every single one of our classics. And one of my favorite parts about this truck, spend 130 grand and you get a matching Matchbox die-cast car to go along with it to display at those car shows that you're definitely going to with this Bronco. Windshield wipers, of course, working perfect. And then for that automatic rear window, if you don't want to use the key, you got a switch right there. You hit that, and that rear window is once again rolling down. Flip it back, and that rear window is gonna roll up. Super convenient if you need to do anything without hopping out of the car. So without waiting any longer, let's start this guy up, bring it out, and go for a test drive. Starts right up, as always. Alrighty, let's get her out on the road. Now, if you guys are familiar with a lot of the old Bronco builds, driving them anything past 10 miles an hour can be quite sketchy, to say the least, but obviously none of our Broncos are like this. This one in particular has a Borston steering box in it, which makes for a really enjoyable, comfortable ride and super easy. I mean, I can use one finger, a single finger, look at this, to control this car, and it feels 100% stable. Super, super easy to drive, like I said before, really comfortable ride. Along with that steering box, like I touched on before, we got Rancho shocks on this guy, and you can see it is taking every divot, every crack, every hole in the road like an absolute beast, and we're not jumping up and down. These aren't super soft springs, they're stiffer springs, but they allow you, like I said before, to have a really comfortable ride quality in this truck. Alignment's great on this truck, hands off the wheel, dead straight, no issues at all. And we can go over to the dash right here, flip this vintage air on, and boom, she starts right up. Again, staying cool inside. If you got cold months, you got heat. If you got hot summers, you got AC, it's perfect. Ashtray in the front, smooth as can be. And then right next to that, if you need to charge anything in here, because you know, it's the modern day, you got tech, you got stuff that needs to charge, you got a little cigarette lighter, dual USB port right there. And guys, just look on the road right now. Look at every single car that you see. You see anything like a freewheeling graphic 79 Bronco? No, absolutely not. You're going to be snapping necks in this thing everywhere that you go. But, you know, it might be comfortable. It might be a nice ride. It might look gorgeous on the inside with all the red. But the real thing that makes this car is that 5-liter Coyote under the hood. Have you ever heard that sound coming out of a Bronco before? Can you imagine being on the road, just taking your average, you know, trip in the morning to work, and this thing pulls up next to you and flies by you, making that noise? I mean, I guess I can imagine it because I'm driving it, but like, you can't. It's unreal. Listen. That's coming out of a 45-year-old truck. 420 horsepower in this thing. Phenomenal. I can't say enough good things about this truck. The power, how it rides, how it looks, the comfort on the inside. And again, it's a really, really nice inside. Every single square inch of this car has been recently restored. It is ready to be parked in your driveway, as it should be. You really should pick up this truck because I promise you guys, it's not gonna last long here. We're gonna throw some pictures of the undercarriage of this truck up on the screen for you guys to check out. Is a beautiful exterior, beautiful interior, and of course, a flawless underside of this truck. No rust anywhere, full thing is painted. Alrighty, pulling back into the main building right now after that little drive for you guys. Alrighty guys, that is all for this gorgeous truck. For 129 grand, this can be sitting in your driveway. And if we weren't detailed enough in this little review of the car, head online for the full listing. There's over 120 detailed photos of every inch of this car for you guys to check out. Appreciate you guys watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, leave a comment with any questions that you have on this Bronco, and we'll see you guys in the next one.